You are watching The Forester Men Plus Mom. Come along with us as we tour the historic River Street in Savannah, Georgia. And we've now made it to our destination. Please stay tuned to see what our day was like on River Street. Here we are going up this cobblestone path. This cobblestone that we are walking on is not something that I take lightly because I discovered that these cobblestones were laid by slaves many years ago. And I want to say that the city does an amazing job maintaining their labor and maintaining the charm of River Street. So the city of Savannah cautions anyone who dares to take those steps to be cautious. So these steps are called the staircase of death. So you have to be very careful going up because they are not modern. They were made in the late 17 to 1800s. So they were built to be very steep and narrow. So with that said, it's a bit of a scary climb going up and down.
It's dangerous. One step, next step, Daniel. I'll show you. Look.
So we finally made it to the top, which leads us to Bay Street. Now let's continue exploring to see what other fun things we will run into. Here's another historic step. I'll just take these down.
Okay.
They are so steep. I mean, Andrew, be careful. Andrew? So we found another historic step. And this one is even more scarier than the first one. But Dad and Andrew had no problem going up and down those steps. want to do it again? No, that would be cool. Just don't fall. Show off. And that was me racing my way down the steps. I refuse to fall and hit my bum. And now for a quick stop for ice cream. We cannot pass this up. Good quality ice cream and very competitive price. Don't forget to check out the Cinnamon Bear Shop if you're ever in town. The Christmas Tree Shop sells Christmas decor all year round. You can always stop in for an ornament or two. What is it with boys and trees? I don't get it. I mean, look at that. My boys, they saw this huge tree and they just had to stop and explore it. And then, of course, there were some other kids walking by and they too wanted to climb the tree. Boys and trees, I just don't get it. And while the boys are having fun with that tree, I'll just take the time and have fun with the camera. charm, the history, the fun. It's amazing on River Street. I would recommend this location to anyone who is ever in town and is looking for fun and memories to take back home with them. This is the place to be. There is an actual ferry hosted by the city of Savannah that will chauffeur people across the river at no cost. But unfortunately for us, they were not in operations that day. But there is always other options because the Savannah River Cruise sails along that stretch of river for a minimal cost, and that information can be found online.
I don't go in there. It's so scared. No, no, no. Get robbed.
By the way, no one was robbed at this location. It was only a figment of their imagination. Don't forget to like, share, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.